Okay, daily cipher for today, July 19. Simulan natin, guys. Pindutin natin daily cipher. First, ang letter ay letter A. Dot dash. Dot dash. Next, L. Dot dash dot dot. Dot dash dot dot. Next is P. Dot dash dash dot. Next is H. Apat na dot. Next is A. Dot dash. Ayan, okay na, guys. Type nyo na pa rin sa inyo. Ayan. Okay na po.